Oh, dude, what the?
Hey, stop right here.
Come on over here, up here. The horses are like galloping.
Dude, wait, go more, go more. Go more or up a little more. Oh god, sorry.
Can you pop the hood?
Yep. That latch for the hood is like really crappy. Do you get it? Day 4 with the S60 Polestar. Headed back to Monterey. I don't know what Adam's doing. He's doing some cocaine there. What are you doing? What are you doing? What do we got? What do we got?
Pretty good. Just kidding, there's nothing there. No, it's fine.
Okay. Headed to Monterey. Do some photos down 17 Mile Drive. Get some rolling action shots.
Rollers, bro. Ted 7.
Ted 7, bro.
Nice wrap.
All right, everyone. We're coming to you live. It's Chris and Adam here. F-spot's being a annoying dickhead. Yeah. So we've got the Polestar here, but look what I'm about to show you.
You won't believe it.
Uh-oh, Volvo Bentley. We got chrome. We got like, oh look, it's like, it's got chrome and then red chrome, like dual chrome.
Dual chrome.
It's like Iron Man.
Oh shit, it's at McWay Falls. Damn, I wanted to stop here for Adam too.
Driving up Highway 1 on the Big Sur. Finishing up the Volvo shoot, and boom. I think someone fell off the cliff here. Got paramedics rappelling down.
USC Trojans.
Oh shit. This guy's got a whole fucking helicopter in his backyard.
Wait, stop right here.
It's turned on. Go, 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 go. He just turned on the fucking helicopter.
Oh, dude, what the?
Hey, stop right here.
Come on over here, up here. The horses are like galloping.
Dude, wait, go more, go more.
Go more or up a little more. Oh god, sorry.
Private helicopter.
Holy shit, man. Fossil there, yeah, you see that? Yeah?
Oh shit!
Holy shit!
Wait, go more, go more.
Holy shit! Oh.
He says, peace out, motherfuckers. Dude, we should go back
Those
though.
are beautiful horses.
Whoa, hello.
Wait, hold on.
Yo! Excuse me, sir, what do you think about your owner's fucking helicopter?
They're all scared and shit.
You're like, no!
What are you doing here?
Boy, man. Whatever it takes to get the shot, baby. 4th day with the Volvo. We are off some sort of canyon road off the Highway 1 off Big Sur. So taking a few photos with the Polestar here. This road goes up another 15-20 miles. So we're gonna get some more photos before golden hour is over. There he is. Those motherfuckers climbed to the top. There's Adam. Where is he? That sneaky little... He's hiding somewhere. Oh, I see movement. I see movement.
Oh god. I'm so fucked.
Oh boy.
Oh fuck.
You all right? There we go. Hey, we all made it alive. Hello. Jurassic Park. Here we have a wild Bornstein taking
Scrambling to get photos while the light's still decent. Swear to God, if Chris moves the camera,
Chris, foot off the brake. What? Foot off the brake.
We're in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna zoom into this road. Boom. Well, there's a few bumps on that road over there. Better be careful. 740. We got 4 more hours of driving, so here we go. Round 2, baby.
You say Allahu Akbar?
Adam is leaping a tank. Sweet, bro.